Drowning in digital clutter. Let's transform your chaotic Notion workspace into a Zen garden of organized files in just 90 seconds. First, create a dedicated files database in Notion. Click the plus icon, scroll down, and select Database Inline or Database Full Page depending on your preference. Name it something descriptive like Project Files or Resource Library. Next, customize your database properties. Click the plus icon next to name at the top of your database, and add properties like typed using a select or multi-select option for categories like PDF, image, document, project or relation property linking to relevant project pages, and tags another multi-select for keywords. Now, it's time to upload your files. Open each database entry by clicking its name within the page. You can either drag and drop files directly into the body, or use the embed command to embed documents, PDFs, and other media. Unleash the power of tags and filters. Click the filter button at the top of your database to display only files associated with a specific project or tag. Similarly, use the sort button to arrange files by date, type, or any other property. Enhance cross-referencing by linking your files database to other pages. Use the link database command on a project page to display a filtered view of files directly relevant to that project. Experiment with different database views. Click the plus button next to table at the top of your database to create gallery views for images, board views for project stages, or calendar views for time-sensitive documents. And there you have it, a streamlined Notion file management system. Using databases, tags, and linked pages, start organizing your files today and reclaim your digital sanity. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Notion tips and tricks.